So let's talk about the materials ecosystem. Like, who makes this silicon? Where does it come from?
So typically the silicon comes in as ingots. If it's a 12-inch wafer, you get 12-inch ingots, and they come from multiple suppliers, and across the Japanese, the Germans, etc. And what happens is once you get the ingots, then they're cut, and then you get individual wafers.
And these are like monocrystalline silicon ingots.
Yes.
I mean, they're defect free.
Yes, they're defect free as far as possible.
Yeah. Okay. Good. So there is the design to chip ecosystem, and then there is the processing ecosystem. There's a materials ecosystem. Is there any other ecosystem that we need to be sort of aware of in the sense of what makes the final end product happen?
Yeah, I would say that you now have on the manufacturing side also the customers who are consumers of these products, the folks who make the laptops or servers, etc., the motherboards and the motherboard designs. So you have an entire ecosystem of design tools and materials, etc., with the motherboards.
At the system level.
At the system level. At the same time, a step before that is before the part goes out to the customers, if you will, then you have to test the parts. So you have test board designs, and you have to design special chips to enable the testing of a new device. Then if there are companies like potentially Samsung or Apple, etc., who are so vertically integrated that they put those devices into their own components which they sell, as compared to some other companies like say Intel or AMD, who would then sell it to others who would then integrate them into their products, like a laptop or a desktop, etc.